Hi there, David here once again on behalf of Be in Crypto. Crypto's been around for years now, but one thing that doesn't become obsolete as it evolves is the need to secure your assets offline and completely under your own control. It's called cold storage, and today we'll be covering the top 5 ways that you can keep your crypto away from hackers and other bad actors. By the way, none of this is financial or security advice. While all of these solutions are respected in the crypto community, issues can theoretically arise with any device, service, or technique. Always do your own careful research and make your own decisions. Okay, with that said, let's jump into 5 great cold storage options available to anyone in 2022. First up, let's begin with a very well-known name among cryptocurrency users, and that name is Ledger. Ledger's been around for years, and the hardware wallets offered by this company come in multiple models, all with the ability to store a variety of cryptocurrencies securely and offline. If you aren't familiar with hardware wallets, they're external devices that act as a form of storage for your assets. They can only be accessed when connected to a computer via USB or Bluetooth usually, so your funds are safe as long as nobody gains physical access. And even if they do, Ledger wallets also offer password protection for another layer of security. When you do want to use your portfolio, you can use Ledger Live to buy, sell, swap, stake, access DeFi, and buy NFTs. Furthermore, the device offers support for literally hundreds of unique cryptocurrencies and tokens. All of this from a single, secure platform. Currently, Ledger offers the Nano X and Nano S Plus. The Nano X will run you about $150, and the S Plus comes in at $80. The main difference between the two models is the size and available memory, otherwise the functionality is the same. Another highly popular cold storage option is the competitor to Ledger, and that's Trezor. The Trezor line of hardware wallets are a slightly different design from the Ledger, however the basic principle remains the same. Here too, there are multiple models and bundles available which correspond to a customer's use case and how much they want to spend. Trezor offers both the Trezor 1 and Trezor Model T. The Trezor 1 supports over 1,000 unique assets, has a monochrome display, and 2 buttons for interaction, and will run you about $70. The Model T, on the other hand, comes with a full-color touchscreen as well as expanded support for more coins, including some very popular assets like XRP, Monero, and Tezos. It also has some additional layers of security built in. However, you will be paying for those benefits, as this one drops at a little under $250. That being said, the added security and asset support may be worth it for some users. While the differences between the Ledger and Trezor offerings aren't huge, both lines of devices are highly popular and effective at being cold storage for your crypto, so be sure to check them out if physical cold storage is the way you want to go. Okay, now let's go in a different direction for a moment. The next offering on our list is Electrum. Now, Electrum is only compatible with Bitcoin, though there are very similar wallets available for many different cryptocurrencies. Just be sure if you're looking for one, it's legit, because there's no shortage of malicious lookalikes. Electrum itself, however, is quite legitimate and a majorly popular wallet for many Bitcoin users. It's not the most user-friendly, so newcomers may be a little intimidated, but take your time and follow the documentation, and most people should be good to go in no time. Furthermore, Electrum is constantly updating and expanding with new features and a smoother interface. Now, at this point, some viewers may be wondering why a desktop wallet is on this list, as these are usually considered hot wallets. Well, that's true, but you can still utilize Electrum for cold storage as well. One way is to connect it to a hardware wallet, and Electrum does support both Ledger and Trezor as well as others. However, we wouldn't be talking about it if that was all. No, much like with many other desktop wallets, you can create an effective paper cold storage wallet quite easily. The main step is to save and secure your recovery phrase when you set up a new wallet. This is literally a representation of your funds, so secure it in a lockbox or something incredibly safe. Once you're done with that, use the wallet as usual. When you're ready to set your crypto back to cold, simply delete the wallet from your hard drive. Again, if you don't have that recovery phrase, you just lost your crypto, so don't lose it. However, if you follow these steps, then there's no way anybody can access your funds via the internet. Now we come to the Ellipal Titan. The Ellipal Titan is a slightly more advanced form of cold storage than the ones we've spoken about so far. First off, though electronic, it is what is known as air-gapped. What this means is there's no two-way communication that can connect to the device. You may be wondering, then how does it send and receive crypto? The answer is QR codes. The Ellipal uses a camera to read incoming transactions as QR codes and can generate QR codes to transmit outgoing ones. The device also has a nice bright screen and in many ways looks a lot like a modern cell phone. The Ellipal supports dozens of coins, including pretty much all of the popular top ones, so you're probably covered whatever it is you're securing. What's also nice is that despite all of these lovely features, you won't be spending too much. The Ellipal Titan will put you back about $140, so somewhere in between all the other hardware wallets we've covered. The one downside we should mention is because of the air gap, there really isn't any desktop software that works with the device. All transactions work through a mobile app and the use of those QR codes. If a desktop interface is important to you, probably keep looking, but otherwise this could be a great choice for keeping your assets safe. Last up, we come to the Safepal S1. The Safepal S1 supports 20 blockchains and over 10,000 tokens, and yes, that includes NFTs. For security, it offers a basic password for access backed up by two-factor authentication and of course a recovery seed phrase. Many of the attractive features of the Safepal are similar to the Ellipal Titan. These include being air-gapped and utilizing a mobile app and QR codes for transactions. There's also a failsafe designed to automatically delete the private keys if the unit detects it is being physically breached. While comparable in functionality to some of the other cold storage solutions on our list, the S1 is basically the most affordable besides using Electrum. The unit will cost you only $50, so this just might be the choice to go to for those of you who want all the protection but would rather save their cash to buy more crypto. Okay, there you go. That's our list of 5 solid cold storage options for your cryptocurrency in 2022. There are, of course, other ways to secure crypto offline, but the ones we covered range in terms of sophistication and price, as well as trying to keep things relatively user-friendly. Of course, as we all know, there's changes happening all the time in the world of cryptocurrency, and you're going to want to keep up. So why not check us out at beingcrypto.com, where you'll find daily updates, analysis, and more. Also, don't forget about our other content right here on YouTube, such as interviews, educational videos, and our bi-weekly news show. Oh, and if trading is your thing, join our free premium channel on Telegram to receive free trading signals from our expert traders. Lastly, we have some exciting news. Our partner, eToro, the world's largest social investing platform, is giving an exclusive benefit for the Being Crypto community. All you have to do is make an initial deposit to eToro using our links below. Don't have all the time to watch and follow the markets? You can also enjoy eToro's famous copy trader experience that allows you to automatically copy top-performing traders, instantly replicating their trades in your own portfolio without you doing any research or work. Or try their demo account to learn how to trade in a safe environment. Okay, that's it for me. As always, thanks to everybody out there who's watching, and we'll see you all right here again real soon.